my 96 Civic EX Coupe. So going from braking to accelerating, there would be a clunk noise, and thought maybe it was the axle, and took the wheel off because it sounded like it was definitely coming from the passenger side. Couldn't find anything wrong. It was looking around a little bit more, and I figured out what it was. So here's what it sounds like. Here is what the problem was. Engine mount on the rear. If I can get the camera there a little bit better. The bolt that passes through the mount and through that T-bracket backed off. It was a little bit loose. So this was rocking around. And man, it sounded exactly like it was coming from like the passenger wheel. Like I had a bad control arm or something. But I'm going to tighten it up and see if it makes a difference. I'm sure it will. Super Extendo. Just like good path is pretty much right behind the shock tower, between the shock tower and the clutch fluid reservoir. See if it's still clicking. Yep, that fixed it.